nice night to head out to the Houston Zoo. If you are heading out to Holiday Lights, no need to have a big jacket. Temperatures really just going to be falling through the 70s into the 60s. Right now sitting just shy of 80 degrees for our friends out in Fort Bend County, 79, 78 here in Houston. Down on the island, 72 degrees. So across the board, a mild start to the evening. We have been seeing a few light sprinkles, and this is exactly what we can see as we head through the overnight period and through the day tomorrow. Just light rain and sprinkles. Nothing heavier than this is going to be expected. However, you can expect to see patchy, dense fog overnight tonight, really similar to what we saw this morning. You can see here in the Houston area, possible to see some light rain showers by 10 o'clock, nothing heavy. That's going to be impacting the entire I-10 corridor. So if you've got a late night date night, I would have at least a covered patio, unless you're okay with getting a little bit damp out there. Certainly not going to be a good night if you're trying to curl your hair. Saturday morning starting off just like today, dense patchy fog is going to be likely until about 9 a.m. I fully expect to see another dense fog advisory tomorrow, and then into the afternoon, perhaps a tad more coverage on that rain shower potential, mainly going to be for locations south of I-10. Our far coastal communities are going to be the ones seeing most rain, but nobody's going to have any significant accumulations. So today and tomorrow were really just a repeat of each other, but once we get to Sunday, we're forecasting a morning cold front, which means our 64 degrees, that's going to be a morning high temperature. As we head into the afternoon, we're going to see those temperatures tumble through the 50s. And then they are really going to get cold into Monday morning. Take a look at this. The actual front passing through early on Sunday. That's why Sunday morning is the warmest. Through the day, cooling down. And by the time we get to Monday, this is going to be some of the coldest air we've seen all season. Here in Houston, we do have the possibility of freezing. I would say only about a 20% chance. I went with a low of